How to refund hair on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly refund hair on Roblox. So in this instructional video presentation, I'll demonstrate the steps to follow in order to request a refund for a purchase made on popular online platform Roblox. To get started, navigate to the official Roblox website by typing www.roblox.com/support into your web browser, and once there, input your username, your first name, and email address into the designated fields to get in touch with the customer support team. Next, indicate the device you're using, such as computer, mobile phone, or Xbox, and click on the Purchases option. Within the Help section, then select the subcategory labeled Website Item, and be sure to provide a thorough explanation of the problem you encountered, specifying the name of the hair item and the amount you spent, and the reasons prompting your request for a refund. If the information you provide is deemed accurate and valid, a member of the customer support team will contact you through your email address to further assess your case. If everything is in order, you should expect to receive a refund for your purchase, and after submitting the contact form containing your issue description, patiently wait for their response through the email. I trust that this tutorial will assist you in navigating the hair refund process on Roblox. If you found this video to be helpful, do show your support by liking and subscribing for additional tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in, and happy gaming, and see you in the next video.